So today's project is going to be getting the 350 partially torn down for the S10. I think we're going to pull the heads off and throw them in the scrap pile, and then Rock Customs needs the intake, so I'll take that to them this weekend. And so let's get this thing tore down and see what we got. So this is kind of as far as I wanted to go tonight, but somebody's been porting on these heads. I know they're stock iron heads, but I have a soft spot for somebody that's already tried to get all they could out of a motor. But altogether, other than the dirt I spilled, it's pretty clean inside. So yeah, this is going to be the candidate for the V8 S10 swap. More to come on that soon. So if you look real close right here, somebody started cleaning up these boards, kind of opened this area up a little bit. Probably not going to be able to jump these heads now. I like to see stuff saved, and especially if this thing's already got big valves in it, we're going to definitely hold on to it. I can pretty much conclude at this point this motor's been rebuilt at some point. It's got screw-in plugs for the oil galleys, and there's definitely been some port work, just gasket matching done to the cylinder heads. Hopefully we won't find nothing else as we go deeper into it bad. I know Rocky pulled the oil pan off his motor and it needed bearings. But yeah, I'm gonna get this pile of mess cleaned up and hopefully start doing a little work to this.